So this rumor has been going around for at least since May, so a month and a half or so, but it's now official at least on one side of it. And this is coming from Max Anstie and the Firepower Honda PR, and he's done. Not done, but he is separating from the team. Coming from Pulpamex or Steve Mathis, whoever you want to say it. The In Good Spirits, Anstie, and Firepower Honda opt for an early contract conclusion. If you want to read that, you can. From their Instagram, it says, quote, "It's not goodbye, it's see you later. Max Anstie and Firepower Honda, Honda Racing US, Firepower Hearts, blah, 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 has achieved remarkable results over the past 24 months. We congratulate Max Anstie and wish him the best part in his, wish him the best in his future endeavors." Now, the other side of this, the actual rumor side, was that he was looking or going to Star Racing. And the other half of the Steve Mathis post saying, quote, "Anstie and FP Honda PR. Look for Max to be in for Southwick for Star Racing." And let's be honest here. Pulp Max, Steve, whatever you want to say, pretty tuned in, pretty, has some pretty good sources, I would assume. So let's see how that works. I mean, obviously, Star has, other than Deegan, not really shown up in the outdoors pretty much at all. Let's be honest here. So adding somebody like Anstie, who's a veteran, who is probably a safe bet to have some speed, be a top 10, top 5 guy, but also not be like, you're probably not worried about him throwing himself away or just yard sailing off the side of the track. So we'll see how it works. I mean, obviously, Star is the best 250 bike you can be on at the point. So for him, it's not a bad move. I mean, going from Honda, a satellite Honda, whatever you want to call it. I mean, technically, I guess they're the factory Honda, Australia, whatever. But going to Star Racing, he's going to have every bit bob, special piece, great mechanics, great bike, just the best of everything. That bike is going to be incredible from the start, and he's just going to have the easiest time, making it his own. Or who knows? That's kind of the question I'm going to pose to you. One, do you think it actually happens? Does he go to Star Racing, or is that just part of the super rumor? And two, how well do you think he does? Obviously, moving from Honda to a Yamaha mid-season, different team, different mechanics, everything like that. Could be a little bit weird, but like I said, comments below. Tell me how you think. How well does he do in the 250s? Who wins the 450 and 250 championship? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.